Hello to all my viewers. Today, I'll show you something which is quite useful for all the beginners. I'll show you how to use a special software which is known as Publish or Perish, which is essentially used to search in for relevant articles in your domain of study. So, if you don't have the institutional subscription or the access to Scopus Advanced Search or Web of Science Advanced Search, then you can use this freely available software which is known as Publish or Perish. And you can filter out the relevant papers for your study. You can even do a reference list easily in the prescribed format. Say you need it in APA format, you can download the reference list in APA format from this software itself. So I'm going to show you how to download it and use it on your Windows desktop. So here we are on our Google search bar and I have typed in publish or perish. Harzing.com, publish or perish. Download for Windows. So what is this publish or perish? It is a software program that retrieves and analyzes academic citations. It uses a variety of data sources to obtain the raw citations. So let us see how it works. First, we are going to click on download for Windows and we come onto this page of Harzing.com, Research in International Management. Now, you see, once we will download and install, use this software on our Windows PC, it will look something like this. I'm going to explain to you what are these functions, what are these tabs meant for, and how it can be used. First, we go for installing it. So here's the link. Download the Publish or Perish software installer from the Harzing.com website. So I'm going to click on this. This is the latest version, 17 December 2025. So I click over here and this is getting downloaded on my system. So it is there. Now I just open this thing. Yes, you just click next, agree, next, and install. So now this software is installed. You need internet connection for using this software, without which it will not work. Now start the application, finish. So let us see how does it work. So this is the software you see here. It looks like this. And these are the different database sources from which you can search the relevant literature. Crossref, Google Scholar, PubMed, OpenAlex, Web of Science, Semantic Scholar, Scopus, or Lens.org. You can even import external data. Let us read what is this importing external data. So, information about the external data formats that Publish or Perish can import. So, in case you have the data in a CSV format, EndNote format, or you have CSV file from Scopus, Web of Science, you can directly import it and analyze that data. For now, let us see how to perform a search query over here. You can select one out of them. In case you have the subscription for Scopus or Web of Science, then you can select Scopus or Web of Science over here. Otherwise, you can easily conduct through Crossref or Google Scholar. Let me show you an example of how to search with Google Scholar. So this is going to search in the author, publication name, title words, keyword. These are the criteria which are mentioned for the search. So let us see AI in tourism academics. I want it as a single word. In case you want it as a single word, you need to put it within inverted commas like this and press on search button. Now you see it is searching. No data was found, right? Because it is searching it in for the combination of these four words which are there, AI in tourism academics. And it couldn't find any of the articles which is directly having this combination of four words. So if I perform like this, let us see what happens. So I got one article. So now it is searching in for these four as individual words. You see AI in tourism academics. So here we have tourism academics, AI in. So that is how it performs the search, and we just got one result out of it. Let us see if I put this in the keywords. I cut it from here and put it in the keywords and press the search button. So now what happens? It is giving me 200 results, you see here. Maximum 200 results. So it has given me 200 results, you see here. We can arrange them as per the year, you see here. I just pressed on the year and the latest one 2026 appear over here, then 2025 appear over here. Here is the publication, the source, that is the name of the journal where it was published. This is the publisher name, say for an instance, Journal of Teaching in Travel and Tourism, Taylor and Francis, right? This is the rank, authors, and title. These are the citations. So if I want to arrange them as per the maximum number of citations, see, I just clicked on cites and it gives me 516 citations for this article by these authors. Now, what does it mean? It means that this is the most popular article in this field of study. After this, we have the one with 415 and 413. So it is very easy to pick up the relevant articles from here, and you can also check simultaneously the journal, the reputed journals in that field, and pick up those articles and conduct a systematic literature review. Basically, this is for conducting systematic literature review or bibliometric analysis. You can easily do it and frame your study. When I put AI in tourism academics, searches those four words in the title of the articles, published articles. When I put it in keywords, it searches them in the title as well as a keyword and abstract. If I want to export the citations in APA format, what should I do? So here you see include citations and patents. I'll put off the patents. In case you just want the review articles to be shown, which are quite helpful in framing your literature review for an article, dissertation, or thesis, you just click on only review articles and then press again search. And now it will show you only the review articles. So again, it's showing you 200 results. You see how fast it works. I want to select the particular ones which have the maximum citations. So I click on uncheck all and I select the ones having maximum citations. Say I want to select the top 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I want the complete references of these in APA style. Then what should I do? I go to save results and here I go to results as CSV, results as APA reference. If I want APA reference, I click on results as APA reference. I name it top 10 articles on my desktop. Save. Now it's saved. Now you see how easily you got the complete references of those 10 articles along with their web address so that you can easily follow them and go and read them in case they are freely available. Or if they are behind a paywall, then you need the subscription of them. But at least it helps you to get the list of relevant articles in your field for your review quite easily, quite conveniently, and quite quickly. In case I want to search in the same AI in tourism academics within the Crossref database, this was Google Scholar search. I go to new and I go to Crossref search. Now you see the keywords which were input by you remain over here. The results of Google Scholar are mentioned here in the top tab. And now I press search and it will search for documents which are present in Crossref. So now It is producing 1000 results. I want to arrange them as per citations. See, the maximum number of citations, 240. Journal was Journal of Tourism Futures, published in 2020. Impact of AI and robotics in tourism sector, a critical insight. So that is how you do the search and you can filter out the relevant articles for your study. I hope this video was quite useful and convenient for you, and you will definitely share it with your friends and faculty colleagues. See you next time with some more informative content. Till then, thanks and goodbye.